When one chapter ends, a new one begins. But I have to say, leaving our home of 17 years was super hard. It was hard leaving the murals that I painted in that home. And of course, we loved it at Christmas time. It was so pretty, decorated with my Santa paintings and the lights outside. And then, of course, the beautiful yard. We put so much time and effort into our yard, our flowers, our garden, everything. But then we found this property, and it's 10 acres, and it's always been our dream to have property. And we feel like we can do so much more with gardening and with orchards, and of course, a new art studio in our home. And so this is what we are planning. Here's our plan, but it's not going to be black and white. It will be in color. But what I wanted to show you was the art studio. That's what I'm really excited about. I have been dying to have an art studio in my home, and this one has an outdoor entrance, and in this area, that's where I will paint, and then I'll have a classroom area over here, and then above we planned for a balcony, and then on this side of the studio there's doors that go out to the deck and then can come down here. So if I do an art show or something fun like that, then there's places for the guests to go. But this is what we are planning, and it is a new chapter, and it's really exciting, and we are looking forward to it. And it especially helps now that we've started construction, because leaving our home of 17 years was hard, and a lot of tears were shed, and we just felt like we needed to be here in this new place, and we are really excited about it. So here's to the future, and I will continue to share updates as we continue the process.
Oh, as I about walk off.
So I just pulled up to our property, and there are 4 cement trucks. There were 5. One got done and drove away. And they are pouring our foundation, and I am beyond thrilled. We have been waiting for this for a long time. So this is really fun to see. I don't want to get in their way, so I'm not going to get out of my car, but I can show you what they're doing. So I will turn the camera so you can see. So there's our foundation. They aren't quite done yet, but they will finish tomorrow, so we're pretty excited about it. So here are the forms that they keep around the foundation until the concrete dries. They're coming back to do the foundation on these footings tomorrow. And we have to bring back a lot of dirt for backfill, because that is our basement. But we wanted the house to sit up higher on the lot, so that's going to be a process. And I can't wait until we get our first level done, because then I can show you the art studio, so that will be a lot of fun. So I just came out to our lot to check on things, and it is the prettiest night. It's so beautiful. And check out our foundation. If you followed me for my art over the years, this new studio is going to be such an exciting part of what's ahead. I'll be sharing more of my fine art, the creative process, projects I'm working on, and how art becomes part of our home, garden, and everyday life. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and keep watching for more updates to come. I'll see you next time.